Hello friends, welcome to English Smart Academy. Hope you are all doing well. Today's topic is clauses and types of clauses. If we talk about studies, exams preparation or everyday usage of English language, then this topic has great importance. Don't skip this video because I have added exercises for your practice in order to know that you have cleared your concepts related to clauses and types of clauses. So let's start. What is a clause? A group of words with a subject and verb. It may or may not express a complete thought. It is one of the main building blocks of sentences. It helps to create complex and compound structures of the sentences. So we can say that a clause can or cannot be a complete sentence, and through with the help of clause we can make simple, complex, compound structures of sentences. Types of clauses. There are two types of clauses. Number one, independent clause, and number two, dependent clause or subordinate clause. What is independent clause? Independent clause can stand alone as a sentence. It expresses a complete thought. It contains a subject plus verb. These are the examples. So we can say that independent clause is a complete sentence. It conveys a complete sense, a complete message. Example number one, they finished the work. She smiled warmly. The birds were singing. He plays the guitar. So by reading these examples, we came to know that these sentences are conveying a complete sense. What is dependent clause? Dependent clause has also a subject plus verb, but it cannot stand alone. But dependent clause needs an independent clause for complete meaning. It is also known as subordinate clause. So we can say that dependent clause is incomplete sentence. It conveys incomplete message and it needs independent or other parts of sentence to complete the meaning. Dependent clause needs an other clause or independent clause in order to make or in order to create a complete meaning. These are the examples of dependent clause. Because it was raining when the match ended, although he was tired, if you need help. So by reading these examples, we are enabled to find out the exact sense, what is being talked about. We are enabled to find out. This is exercise for your practice. You are to underline dependent clause. Number one sentence, we cannot going while it is snowing. So here, while it is snowing, this is dependent clause. People who pay their debts are trusted. Who pay their debts. This is dependent clause. She likes stories that have fairies in them. That have fairies in them. This is dependent clause. Nobody knew who had come first in the race. Who had come first in the race. This is dependent clause. The teacher gave the students another worksheet as soon as they have finished first one. As soon as they have finished first one. This is dependent clause. Types of dependent clauses. Types of dependent clause. There are three types of dependent clause. Number one, noun clause. Number two, adjective clause. Number three, adverb clause. What is noun clause? Noun clause acts like a noun. It can be a person, place, thing, idea. It serves as a subject, object, and complement. Means our noun clause can be a subject, an object, or a complement. It answers the questions what and who. These are the examples. Number one, what he said was true. I know that she is honest. Why he left is unknown. Whoever comes first will win. How she solved it amazed everyone. So here we can see an idea is talked about, or a place or person is talked about. So noun clause refers to words a noun. Adjective clause. It describes a noun like an adjective. It modifies a noun or a pronoun. It starts with who, whom, whose, that, which, where. These are the examples. The boy who won the race is my friend. So adjective clause modifies noun or pronoun. So here, who has won the race is my friend. This is the boy is being talked about. This is adjective clause. The book that you gave me is useful. The car which he bought is expensive. The teacher whom we met was kind. The house where they live is old. So here we can see there is noun or pronoun which the adjective clause is referring to. Adverb clause. What is adverb clause? It describes a verb, time, reason, condition, or purpose. It modifies verb, adjectives, or other adverbs. It provides information about how, when, where, or why. It begins with because, when, if, after, before, although, since, until. So these are the words of adverb clause. Example number 1, I'll call you when I reach home. So time is being talked about. She left because she was tired. Reason is being talked about. After he finished work, he slept. So here in third example, the sequence of events is being talked about. Although it was cold, they played outside. So here we can see the situation is being talked about. These are the examples. These were the examples of adverb clause. This is an exercise for your practice. You are to find out which type of independent clause is being talked about. Number 1 sentence is, you may sit wherever you like. This is adverb clause. Second, what you said surprised me. This is noun clause. Teacher who loves math is very popular. This is adjective clause. I don't know what you want. I don't know what you want. This is noun clause. I'll call you when I arrive. So time is being talked about. Adverb clause. The book that you lent me is fascinating. Adjective clause. So this is the complete summary of clauses. This is overview what we have learned. What is clause? Clause is a subject verb combination. It can or it cannot convey a complete sense. Number 1, what is independent clause? Independent clause is a complete meaning. It conveys complete sense. It can stand alone. What is dependent clause? Dependent clause is incomplete, meaning it needs main clause in order to make complete sense. Or dependent clause has 3 types. Noun clause, which acts like a noun, and adjective clause describes a noun or pronoun. Adverb clause describes time, reason, condition, or manner, and each type has different functions and signal words. So this was all about from my side. Hope you have cleared your concepts related to clauses and its types of clauses. If you want to learn more grammatical and English lessons, subscribe this academy, share this content with your friends, comment. Take care of yourselves. See you in the next video.